Some moments in life are so precious that they stay in our memories forever. Here we present to you such joyful moments. After living in the US for 3 years, this man flew back to the Philippines to surprise his parents. He hadn't been able to meet his family due to the travel restrictions imposed by the COVID-19 pandemic.
Hey Ma, made it. I'm gonna be seeing you in a bit.
So his parents' reaction was totally understandable. They'd really missed their boy. Next up, watch his dad being surprised with a present he wasn't expecting but badly wanted.
Franklin! Frankie!
Frankie's behind the couch.
Yeah.
And the surprise was his daughter, who had returned home after a long time. At first, he was in a state of shock but wasted no time wrapping his princess in a tight hug.
She's mine too.
Moving on, the story features a lady giving her parents an amazing surprise. They had absolutely no idea they'd be getting a visit from their daughter and grandsons. But if their reactions indicate anything, it's that they couldn't have been more glad.
Aw, Dad's crying!
This sweet boy's emotions went all over the place when he suddenly saw his dream bike in front of him. He was both grateful and in utter disbelief and had to walk away for a moment to process the surprise.
Give me that.
Whoa.
And what better way to end this delightful compilation than with a lovely puppy surprise?
The kiddos don't know I'm coming, so I'm going to capture it on video for you. Thanks for following along. Okay, so I'm headed in now, and I'm going to deliver this black lab stuffed animal to them first, and Mama is giving them a collar and leash, so we're going to surprise them with the stuffed animal first.
These kids found a leash and a toy dog in a delivered parcel and had no idea what was next.
Collar and a leash. Wow, what is that? I don't know.
Okay, I'm headed in now to do the first delivery. We're going to surprise the kids. I'm delivering them with a black lab stuffed animal first, and Mom's giving them a collar and leash. We'll do the puppy last. And there you go. I hope you love it. Thank you.
Look at that! Is it kitty cat? Oh, look at that! It's a puppy. Now that's what that
It's a little puppy. Aww, I think this is going to be too big.
Okay, so now we have their pup, and we're headed back to their door. I'm going to knock, and we're going to surprise them with their real surprise. I have one more special delivery for you. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to open it?
Come on, Bella.
Come on, get in here.
Say hello to Hamilton.
It's not a stuffed animal.